You know, in light of all this government surveillance of the people, all of this spying on the civilians, there's often this answer that comes from people: if you've got nothing to hide, you've got nothing to be scared of. If you've got nothing to hide, you've got nothing to fear. For starters, people don't walk around naked. They wouldn't, you know. Okay, but then there's another point that I was thinking of. If you've got a camera set up around your life, in the street, in your house, in your computer, observing you, somebody observing you, a silent observer maybe, that may seem to be silent, non-existent in your world, just spying away, eating popcorn, spying the whole day through, not doing any harm, spying on you, watching you do your daily things. Even if nothing comes from that, there's the quantum observer effect. Now, if you're familiar with Dr. Quantum, and maybe I can leave a link or something, but the quantum observer effect, maybe you can just search that it's shown in quantum physics that when a particle is observed, it changes the way it acts. For example, a particle will be a wave or particle, and it will change depending on who is looking. And if nobody is looking, then it'll be all possibilities. So the observer in quantum physics affects the outcome of what is being observed. So if we're being spied on, that has an effect, surely, over our lives. Even if that observer is, we don't know when they're checking in or checking out, maybe we can feel that as soon as they start eating popcorn and spying, then we get this like chilling feeling that we are being quantumly observed, and then suddenly we have the predator effect, that we are being preyed upon. I think it would maybe be a normal, natural thing. As soon as you're being observed, you become suspicious of being observed. Maybe you question, why am I being observed? Maybe that's an effect. And that doesn't necessarily have to be the case that we consciously know that we're being observed, especially not if quantum physics says that, the quantum effect happens. So for me, that's one to think about. Is it possible to have a silent observer with a quantum observer effect? I don't think it is, really. I think anybody who's watching has an effect over what they're watching. So yeah, there's one to think about, really, anyway. So I'll leave you with that. Thanks. Cheerio.